The 2026 Toyota Fortuner is imagined as a more advanced, more refined, and more capable evolution of Toyota's beloved mid-sized SUV, keeping its rugged off-road identity while delivering a smoother and more premium experience for families and adventure seekers. Built on the updated IMV platform, the new Fortuner is expected to bring a stronger focus on technology, comfort, and efficiency without compromising the toughness that made it one of the most trusted SUVs across Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and Latin America. Its exterior design is envisioned to be bolder and more dynamic, featuring sharper LED headlights, a wider grille, and more muscular body lines that enhance its presence on the road. A more aerodynamic shape and modernized rear profile with connected LED tail lamps further elevate its contemporary look while maintaining the commanding stance Fortuner owners admire. Under the hood, the 2026 Fortuner is anticipated to continue with Toyota's dependable diesel lineup. But with significant improvements, the highlight is expected to be the 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine paired with Toyota's mild hybrid system, offering more low-end torque, smoother acceleration, reduced turbo lag, and improved fuel efficiency. This powertrain not only enhances everyday drivability, but also strengthens towing capability and off-road performance. A refined suspension setup is also likely, making the SUV more stable at high speeds and more comfortable over rough terrain, with a choice of rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, plus upgraded traction control, hill descent assist, and selectable drive modes. The 2026 Fortuner is imagined to deliver even better confidence in all conditions. Inside, Toyota aims to elevate the Fortuner's cabin to a more premium level. Higher quality materials, improved insulation, and a more modern dashboard layout give it a more luxurious feel compared to previous versions. A larger, sharper infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a fully digital instrument cluster, brings the interior technology up to modern expectations. Additional amenities such as ventilated seats, ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and enhanced third-row comfort make the Fortuner more appealing for long journeys. Practicality remains a key strength, with multiple storage areas, flexible seating configurations, and increased cargo space, ensuring the SUV remains family-friendly despite its rugged DNA. Safety is also expected to receive a major upgrade, with Toyota's Safety Sense becoming standard or widely available across all trims. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and autonomous emergency braking significantly improve driver confidence and overall security. A 360-degree camera system and improved parking sensors make maneuvering this large SUV easier in tight spaces. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Fortuner is imagined as a smarter, stronger, and more comfortable version of the iconic SUV. It continues to embrace its off-road heritage, while adapting to modern expectations of efficiency, technology, and comfort. Whether used for daily commuting, family travel, or tough outdoor adventures, the new Fortuner aims to deliver a more capable and premium experience, keeping its reputation as one of the most dependable SUVs in its class.